What's up, Moto fam? Yeah, you hear the music behind me. The music of the motorcycles. I'm out here at Cook's Corner doing the damn thing. This wonderful 4th of July weekend. Out having breakfast with the fellas. Hope y'all doing well. Show y'all, there's a bunch of motorcyclists out here too. You hear me? A whole grip of them. Look, we got a slingshot right here. We got a slingshot out here. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that's not a bad vehicle right there. I prefer 2 wheels though. Does it have reverse on it?
Excuse me?
Does this have reverse?
Yeah, it has a reverse. It's funny, right?
Oh man, come on, man. That thing is beautiful.
Parking sensor, AC.
I ride a 1250, so, but I was watching the show and they're like reverse. I'm like, reverse, goddamn. Yeah. So how does it work reverse on here?
And you need to go neutral, and you need to push this button.
And then it just...
This.
Oh.
This is for throttle.
Got it. How awesome, man. Ingenuity, right?
Yeah. And really, it has an AC.
Yeah.
You know this?
Oh, wow. And you got the foot pegs too.
Yes.
The boards.
Not fit.
The boards, yeah. I might have to upgrade. Nice bike. Hey, nice bike, man.
Thank you, buddy.
For sure. Have a good one, all right?
You too, bro.
Oh, Lord.
2020, your order's ready.
I've known you long. We were in kindergarten. Yeah. I don't know about that. That was yesterday. I couldn't guess. Yeah, no. So, work on cars.
Thank you, darling.
Thank you for your patience.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
Yeah, hey, we about to get it in right now. Hold on. That's the meal. It's my food review. Hopefully you can get me here. All right, all right. We got some bacon, hash browns. We got hash browns, eggs, and some country fried chicken. And I stole that bacon from my brother Omar over here with some biscuits at Cook's Corners. Okay, here we go. Let's jump in here.
That was. I'm gonna be if they're doing it.
Yeah. Let's get into these hash browns. Come on. Check it out.
I mean, one time I have.
That's what it's smaller.
No. Hey, this gravy is off the chain.